Do you live? You're local?
No.
Oh right.
I
Okay.
just travel on my bike, you know.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Brilliant.
So just yeah, thumbs up really. Just taking a few shots, you know.
Yeah. Bit of, yeah.
So guys, welcome to Fylde Castle, where it's a very, very windy day, believe it or not. So just taking some shots of the place here and what the building's like. This is a staff only entrance.
This opening establishes the setting and intent of the recording. The auditor is openly filming a public-facing council building, clearly focused on architecture and surroundings rather than people. There's no concealment, no evasiveness, and no interaction yet, just environmental context. This matters because it frames the activity as lawful public photography from the outset, a protected action in public space. The casual tone and lack of confrontation set the foundation for everything that follows.
It's just very, very windy, guys. Even though this video is going to sound fantastic. Well, look at John Deere here. Look at that. Look at the John Deere. Have to get a shot of that, guys. Wow. Bus and a half, that, isn't it?
Here, the filming continues uninterrupted, emphasizing the absence of objection or authority presence. This segment reinforces an important auditing principle. Silence from officials often indicates there is no legal issue occurring. Wind, movement, and ambient sound dominate the scene, reinforcing that this is passive observation, not surveillance or interference. At this point, nothing compels engagement or justification.
Right. How are you?
Not so bad.
This is the first human interaction, and it's calm and non-confrontational. The exchange shows mutual respect, with no demands for identification, no orders to stop filming, and no accusations. This is significant. When public employees understand the law, or at least sense no wrongdoing, interactions remain professional. This moment demonstrates how lawful activity often resolves itself when neither party escalates.
How are you, my friend? You okay?
No, I told you that.
My bike's around the corner.
Nice.
Yeah.
Here, the auditor clearly explains the purpose of filming, photography of buildings and surroundings. This transparency removes suspicion and demonstrates a key auditing tactic: clarity without surrendering rights. Notice there's still no challenge to filming, no invocation of policy, and no escalation. This is a textbook example of how openness often diffuses potential conflict.
Didn't know that. Council, this one, isn't it?
Yeah. Town council. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're local?
No.
Oh, right.
I
Okay.
just travel on my bike, you know.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Brilliant.
So just yeah, thumbs up really. Just taking a few shots, you know.
Yeah. Bit of interest.
Yes. You got it to do, haven't you? You know.
Yeah.
It's windy today, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not good the weather out there.
What do you do?
I just look after the buildings.
Oh, caretaker.
What kind of thing? Yeah.
All right. Ah, jolly good. Jolly good.
Yeah.
Well, you have a nice day, my friend.
Yes. You as well.
Yeah, they don't have free coffee machines or anything, do they not?
Oh no, there's nothing
No.
like that.
Oh.
No.
I'll have to put that on my list.
Yeah. You'll have to recommendations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, my friend. Well, you have a nice day.
Right, okay.
Thank you very much, sir. What a nice guy he was.
This extended conversation highlights something often overlooked in audits. Not every interaction is adversarial. The building caretaker engages casually, even offering historical information about the property. This reinforces that filming alone does not imply threat. Importantly, no attempt is made to restrict movement or recording, confirming that no enforceable prohibition exists.
Yeah, did you know that?
Sorry?
Keir Starmer's dad used to be a toolmaker.
All right.
Do you know that?
No.
Yeah, well, you can still see it there. Oh, what a nice dog that is.
Beautiful.
Oh, bloody hell. Is that pitbull, that one?
Pitbull?
No.
No, he's a Labradoodle.
Oh, he looks scary.
He's scary.
This one?
He's not scary.
I'm thinking about getting one as a guide dog. Is it not a pitbull?
No.
Are you sure?
He's a Labradoodle.
He's a Labrador and a standard poodle.
He's never a Labradoodle, that.
He's very
too-
big,
He's a lot bigger
isn't
than
he?
normal.
He's too big, that's what I'm going to say.
Yeah, he's 7 stone.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Only nowhere near as big as him.
gotta be a pitbull, that, isn't it?
He's a handsome
What would you
boy.
say?
He's a handsome boy.
Gotta be a pitbull, isn't it?
Like a Labrador.
Yeah,
Yeah.
He's looking like a pitbull.
Do you not think?
No.
I need my eyes testing. Where's the Specsavers?
Pitbulls are totally different.
Specsavers here? Oh, I'll come back in a minute with some new glass.
At this stage, the content shifts away from auditing and into spontaneous public interaction. While the conversation about the dog is lighthearted, it's important to note that it remains consensual. This illustrates a critical point. Filming in public captures incidental interactions, which is lawful so long as there's no harassment or targeting, none of which is present here.
All right, have a good day.
Yeah, if you're going to go to Specsavers.
Well, that's where I'm going now, because I think I need my eyes checking. It looks like he wants to lurch on me. Look at it. He does.
He's looking at
Did you not hear him just growl then? He just growled at me.
Are you on the stage?
Eh?
You make a living on the stage.
Try to, but fail miserably. Have a good day.
This audit concludes without confrontation, enforcement, or restriction, making it a quiet but important example of lawful public activity. It demonstrates that when rights are exercised calmly and transparently, interactions often remain peaceful. Not every audit needs conflict to be educational. Sometimes, the absence of interference is the lesson itself. Public filming is legal, and respectful conduct benefits everyone involved.